The CYPELEC Networks software has been created to facilitate the design and analysis of low and high voltage electrical installations. It has a simple interface which incorporates a large variety of electrical equipment, such as power supplies, transformers, low and high voltage cables and capacitors, protection devices, etc. The software is able to analyze the load flow, calculate the voltages and phase shifts in buses, currents in lines and branches, and the active and reactive power flows of the electrical system. In this video, we're going to go over a brief run-through of the entire program. To start a new project, access the File button in the top left corner. Now that I've started a new project, the first thing to do is to configure a diagram. The first element to place into the workspace will be the supply. I'm able to designate all of its properties in this window. After accepting, I can draw a bus below and easily connect this supply. To connect this to a transmission line, I first need to open the element library and import the elements I'd like to use. I'm going to import transmission lines, grounding cables, and transmission towers. In the conductor section of the toolbar, I'm able to input a transmission line. I can load my transmission line, grounding cable, and transmission tower. I'm able to alter the cross-sectional area of my cable, along with the length and nominal voltage. Once I accept, I can place it into the workplace. Here I have a finished example of an electrical installation. As you can see, this diagram contains many elements, including multiple supplies, conductors, and protection devices. It contains multiple diagrams that are connected using the continuation point tool. And all diagrams have been labeled using a custom-built table from the user table tool. To analyze the load flow of this circuit, we have the load flow tools. The analysis has returned some errors and can be investigated by hovering over the red crosses with the cursor. Or by using the checks tool in the load flow menu. Using this information, I'm able to identify the cause of the error and adjust the affected elements. If I repeat the analysis, I can see the circuit is working effectively. Now that I'm satisfied with my design, I'd like to export the drawing. To configure the dimensions of my drawing, I first access the General Configuration Drawing settings. Here I'm able to adjust the page format, dimensions, and margins. Next, I use the Drawings tool to designate the type of drawing and the scale. Once I confirm this tool, the software will generate the drawings. From here, I'm able to inspect the details and print my selection. Thank you for listening.